गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपका सिंथेटिक फाइबर में प्लास्टिक टॉपिक पर चर्चा होगी। इसके पहले आपने सिंथेटिक फाइबर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ 4 टाइप ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स के बारे में पढ़ा। आज स्पेशली प्लास्टिक के बारे में डिस्कशन होगा। एज द टर्म, प्लास्टिक एक ऐसा टर्म है, वी ऑल आर फेमिलियर विद दिस टर्म as the reason is that varieties of things are around us found which is made or which are made up of plastic, and sometimes it is also known as plastic era because varieties of things are formed or made by plastic as a substitute of different metals. Different type of things are made by this synthetic fiber. So the plastic is the term used to describe a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic materials. So either it is synthetic or semi-synthetic material that are used in huge range of applications in various life activities. Different materials are made up of plastic. So about plastic, you know that it is also a polymer like synthetic fiber. Whatever the synthetic fiber, that may be nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. So plastic is also a polymer. It means many smaller units joined together to form long chain, that is called plastic. But varieties of plastics are there, and according to the nature, according to their structure, they are of different types. So some common example. So plastic term which is derived from a Greek word. That word is plastikos, meaning fit for molding. Molding means when you change any object in desired shape, you can mold it easily upon heating or by any physical factors. So this term is derived by the Greek word plastikos, meaning fit for molding. It means you can mold it according to our requirement, according to our desire. Example of plastics are polythene, PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. PVC, the full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride, यानी विनाइल क्लोराइड का ये क्या है, चैन है ये polyvinyl. So if you study the types of plastics are generally of two types on the basis of structure and the nature properties due to heat. So as you know that the term thermo is related to heat. So the one type of plastic is thermoplastic and the another type is called thermosetting plastic. So mainly there are two types of plastics. The first one is thermoplastic. Term is related to heat. So plastic which can deform easily upon heating again and again. You can easily change or deform it upon heating. Such type of plastics are called thermoplastics. These plastic can be molded again and again into different shapes according to our requirement. So some examples of these thermoplastics are polythene. Polythene is also a very common in our daily life activities. When you sometimes go to the market and purchase any materials that is packed in polythene bag, So polythene, poly means many, many ethene. Ethene is a hydrocarbon, CH2 और इसका molecular formula C2H4. This C2H4 joined to form long chain. This is monomer, and the polymer is polythene. So it is a thermoplastics. Polyvinyl chloride, the electric wire which is coated with a plastic, that plastic is polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. And this is why that sometimes you may heard the term PVC wire. PVC wire means the wire which is coated with polyvinyl chloride, a type of plastic that is called PVC wire. Uses: used for insulating the electric wire. As you know that it is bad conductor of electricity, so it is used as an insulator or insulating the wire, electric wire, against electric shock. And cables, making bottles, jar, toys, raincoat, etc. These are the things which is made up of the type of plastic that is thermoplastic. The another type is thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic is different from thermoplastic, as once molded it cannot change their, or again it cannot be softened or molded again upon heating. So once set, it gain the desired shape and it retain their shape. It cannot be molded again. So the plastic which when molded once cannot be softened by heating are known as thermosetting. Thermosetting, it means once it is set into the shape, that cannot be changed upon heating. So such type of plastic is called thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastics are examples: bakelite, melamine. These are the common thermosetting plastics. Uses: used for making handles of cooking utensils. आपने कुकर, सॉसपैन वगैरह के हैंडल में, कप्स, इलेक्ट्रिक स्विचेज, ये सब की हीट प्रूफ होता है. दिस इज वाई दैट these materials, these substances, these household materials are made by thermosetting plastic. And melamine is a versatile material and are able to tolerate heat better than other plastic. Melamine is one group of plastic which has more resistant tolerance or resistance power against heat as compared to the other plastic. So it is used for kitchenware. As you know that kitchenware, कोई भी किचन में खाना बनेगा तो हीट के उसमें होगा, इसलिए किचनवेयर में क्या होता है, मेलामाइन का स्पेशली यूज होता है, बिकॉज ये हीट प्रूफ होता है. फैब्रिक्स विच रेसिस्ट फायर, जहाँ आग, फायर प्रूफ कोई भी चीज़ फैब्रिक बनाने के लिए मेलामाइन प्लास्टिक का यूज होता है ताकि वो फायर प्रूफ हो सके. तो अब जब टाइप्स आपको पता चल गया थर्मोसेटिंग और थर्मोप्लास्टिक, अब you must know the structure of or the difference between the structure of thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement. The arrangements differ in different type of plastics. So when you study the structure of thermoplastic and the thermosetting plastic, you will find the differences, and due to the differences in their arrangement, they show such type of properties of heat resistance, etc. In some it is linear, as for example, suppose this figure 1, it shows the structure or arrangement of plastic, thermoplastics. Thermoplastic, what do you observe here? You will see that the linkage is linear, no cross linkage is there, only linear arrangement is found, and so this is why that it is easily molded or softened upon heating. So no cross linkage is there, linear arrangements are there in thermoplastic. plastics. But when you observe the structure of these thermosetting plastic, the figure 2 is thermosetting plastic, arrangement of thermosetting plastic. These are the monomers, and here the arrangement, linear arrangement as well as cross linkage is also visible or found, and this cross linkage makes it more strong, and they differ in that of the thermoplastics in their property, in their arrangement. So this is the structural difference between the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So these are all about your plastic. Um, in next class we will discuss on other topic. Thank you.